All right, let's talk about XRP. Let's just get into it. I'm going to plot out XRP support levels in this video. We're going to talk about XRP. We're going to talk about Bitcoin because they're correlated. So I can't talk about one without talking about the other. That's just how life is. XRP, weekly time frame. These are the moving averages right here. They're color coded. It's going to tell you what these lines mean. I'll talk about it as I talk about XRP. So let's get into what is XRP doing right now. Let's look at these support levels. All right, let's get into it. I haven't talked about XRP in a while. My old friend here, XRP, 44 cents. Okay, so 0.4497. This is where we're trading at right now. So what are the support levels? Okay, because why we need to know, because look what Bitcoin's doing. What's going on here? So I'm going to get into what Bitcoin's doing and then swing back to XRP because it's kind of like, let's put, you know how they say don't put the cart before the horse and all that. Let's see what the real main driver of everything, what's happening with Bitcoin, okay, because that's the driver of everything. So right now, Bitcoin is at 58,160. Okay, did we catch some support? Because look, we know from the past, just going over the past real quick to, highlight. Okay, we hit our little head there, bounced down, had some resistance again at these levels, some more resistance. Okay, we were here. What is this? In June. You know, you see this is Bitcoin, daily time frame, everybody. Moving averages is still right here. We hit here at this. Price levels are over here. So around this 72 level, then we decided to bloop, 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 go down. All right, we decided to go down. We have this blue trend line, okay, that for whatever reason we can't break above, right? Okay. Every time the Bitcoin meets this price level, as it goes down, descending trend line, it can't break through. Okay, right? Can't break through. All right. So now we have a sharp drop with these red candles. I don't know if this is your first post-halving Bitcoin time or not. This is not my first rodeo. It's not. And so last time when, this is just hold on. Just don't look at the chart for me. I'm just going to talk. Last time, after we had the halving, we went into the summer. I'm just talking right now. I'm not even focusing on the chart. We went into the summer. Bitcoin, like the U.S. stock market, it did exactly. It went down in the summer. Okay, it cascaded downward. Okay, and then nothing falls straight like this. Okay, nothing goes like that. Everything when it drops, it has to kind of boop boop doop doop like that. Okay, it's never like straight, right? That doesn't exist. So you get, when something's going down, you'll get these small little bump ups. Okay, little bump up, but it's still, the direction is still what? It's still going like this. So the last time Bitcoin post-halving and everything during the summer, it did this too. But now when does it stop? And that's something that everybody wants to know. Well, is this it? And then do I buy all in here? Because see, look at this area here, and we're kind of like in the same region. So am I buying the bottom now to then ride it up? Because, ride into the sunset because it's going to be great. And we all know it's going to be great. Or are we going lower? And that's why you're hearing this video. Well, so my gut, and we're not here for my gut, but my gut from the last time after the halving happened, we go do, but then we go bloop, 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 and we keep going down a little bit. Okay? It'll feel like it, and people are like, oh, like this candle here, this little rally, people are like, oh, this is it. And then they may put in like load the boat here, but then we still go doop, 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 a little lower. So if I had to say when, and it's not like Bitcoin talks to me, right? But how long would it take for all this? I don't know. We're in July, August, something like that. Maybe we'll low. Okay, so what am I talking about? So now you see this area right here? Hold on, let's get the marker. Oh, market didn't catch. Hold on. See this area right here? Okay. Let's see. When we get kind of over this area, how long will this take to August to get here? And then will that be the low and we keep going? So I'm kind of saying, let me see where Bitcoin is in the August. So let's just draw what looks like a support level. You see right here where it was support? Okay. Around there. Okay? Because you see, look at these candles. Okay, this kind of went, okay, 1, 2, 3 days. Pow, pow, pow. Yeah, it went up. It doesn't take much for us to go right there. With the trend being this arrow being so hard down. You know, we didn't break this blue trend line yet. We're under this 200-day moving average. Okay? We're under the 200. This is the 50-day, and then the green is all the way up here to 20-day. So we're under all our moving averages. In general, we want to be above all of these lines, all 3 of these lines. When you're above it, you have more support. So like you see back here, when we were bouncing and we were above every line, you see it? And look how, once Bitcoin hit towards that moving average, it went pow, it was just up. And everything was great. And everybody was like, oh my God, okay. Everybody was happy. So now we're below these. And so will this candle hit this and then this moving average? Let's say this moving average went like that. And we go like that. Or will it be able to go through it a little bit, but then hit this and go like that? Or will we go like this and eventually go up? I don't know. You know, Bitcoin doesn't talk to me, but it's a high chance because do you see how this chart, like, hold on, watch this. Watch this. Does it look like this to you? Like, okay. When I just put that line in the middle, like, okay, you see how this half? Isn't it interesting if this half kind of wants to kind of like balance it out? Like mirror image, okay? Like you could fold this half a little bit fold this part onto that part. So maybe it's going to like do what happened over here, okay? Maybe it will, okay? Just say, because look at this. I mean, it didn't do this part up here, but you see how it hit here, 1, it hit 2, 1, 2, see? 1, 2. A lot of things were like mirror images. So, you know, will this go back to here? Because this was here also. See? So that's where I'm saying this could happen. So that's why I made this line split in half so you could kind of catch my drift. Doesn't have to, but it could. And so then this area is around the 50,000. Okay, level. So just give me a second. I just want to draw my, hold on. So just let's say down in here. Okay? So down in here is like, so this would be great support. If we break this support, please don't even, oh my God. Okay? But once again though, something to know. If we go lower, for anybody who really wants to be in it, it just gives you an opportunity to buy cheaper if we break through here. But this should be a good support area. But if it goes lower, like I said, more of an opportunity to just buy even lower so you could ride up to all the way up there. All right. So, oops. Ignore that part. Okay. All right. So now let's go over to our girl XRP. Well, actually, I think XRP is not a girl. It's probably if we're going to put a gender on XRP, I think it's probably a guy. All right. So here we go. Okay. So XRP, 44 cents. Okay. So now will we go a little bit lower? This is, okay. Do you see like kind of like a little bit here. Boom. Okay. So, see this candle here? This one almost, but you see these two? Okay, this was like the floor of a house. Okay, we had some support here. It tried to touch here, a little bit of a support here, right? So that's like 3. This time it went through. Okay, so this level, all right, so maybe something around there. Hold on, let me just stretch this out. Let me just stretch this out. Okay, you can see the price, right? Okay, so 42 cents, right? All right, so that's one thing. All right, so now let's see. It's around 42. You know, remember, nothing is in stone, okay? Because this is... Okay, now let's see. If we go below that, what about a little bit? See this area here? This is what I'm looking at. And you see this wick here? So I'm kind of saying, because it's kind of light, but it's more light. Okay, let's just say if okay. So XRP. Okay, so 36 cents over here, all right? Okay, so if we caught a little bit, so say we caught a little support there, caught a little bit support there, that was 36 cents, okay? And then you see down here, price, the crypto, if I say stock, I apologize, okay, I'm talking about crypto. See the crypto reacted here to this level, okay, what price is that? Okay, so that's kind of like 33 cents, okay, give or take, let's just, okay, around there. If we go lower, you see these little wicks, see some of these are just minor little things, it's like, really, will it? But okay, watch this. See if you see what I see. Oh yeah, sucky. I love it when it's like this. Hold on, just wait for me, people. Oh, yeah, hold on, let me use this. Do you see how that cuts through? That's good enough. I don't want to be here all day because you're like, just do it, lady, do it. Okay, so you see how the crypto was reacting over here. Okay, I'm on the left side screen. Okay, support, like you're walking on the floor of a house. So it was a lot of support to this price level, 28 cents before in the past, okay? So here, all this area here, okay? And then when it fell below it, it was resistance a little bit in this area. Resistance here, hit his head on the ceiling, okay? Hit his head a little bit here too. So then a lot of times when you hit your head on the ceiling of a house, later it becomes the floor. Boo! And it becomes support. See, so it was support here and practically here. So these are some levels, okay? This is some levels, just a little bit of levels, just, you know, shouting them out a little bit. And then what else could happen? Kind of right about there, 21. This here, could you see here? We hit our head, boom! Hit our head on the ceiling. But later, see this candle? It became a floor, support. All right, so that's where I'm saying, so 21. I'm not saying we're going all the way down there. I'm not saying that at all. But I just wanted to show some of the levels of, you know, like, okay, boom, boom, oops, support, all right? So I just want to show some levels and everything like that so we would all know what's going on. So before I leave you good people, I just want to give you a quote because God knows I could just go on and on because I love this. Little Missy here, Katherine Johnson, all right? NASA, mathematician said. Like what you do, and then you will do your best. That's right, people. Just like what you do, and you will do your best. Katherine Johnson, NASA mathematician. Of course, I like what I'm doing. This is why I can keep talking on and on forever about all of this stuff. Click like, click subscribe. I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye, Miss Moneymaker.